Yes, Yebo Saubona to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundits of the Premier Soccer League. In the world of football, we know there are certain clubs that hold a special place in the heart of their fans. These clubs become a family with coach, players, supporters, and all bonded together by a shared passion. One such club is the mighty Kaizer Chiefs in South Africa, known for their rich history and a very passionate fan base. Currently under the managerial guidance of Tunisian football manager Nasreddine Mohamed Nabi, as they still proceeding with different competitions toward the upcoming campaign of 2025-2026, is Kaizer Chiefs will participate in different tournaments like the Betway Premiership, Nedbank Cup, and the prestigious Colin Knockout Cup, and now being linked heavy with the move of a talented left back known as Mohamed Hussein Shabalala, affectionate as Zimbwe Jr., who is currently playing steady with the Simba Sports Club and wear jersey number 15. Zimbwe Jr., who joined Simba Sports Club on 2014 from Kagera Sugar, affectionately as Wanankulu Kumbi. He has succeeded to lift up different titles with his Simba Sports Club, and now as the captain of the team, he also participates in Tanzania national team Taifa Star wearing jersey number 26, if I'm not mistaken. He has been linked heavy with a move to Naturena for the upcoming campaign as Amakos seeks for a talented left back who will help the team to lift up different titles and protect the back line. And they want to offload Bongani Sam, although they have other talented back like Badre Cross, but they think they are not enough to wear the unique gold and black jersey of the Amakos family. And good enough is that Mohamed Hussein contract with Simba Sport is tended to expire in June 2025. So this will be an added advantage to Kaizer Chiefs to see how they can sign this talented defender.